I'm Jonathan Little from Little Labs, and I'm showing off the new Redeye 3D Phantom, which is a complete remake of the original Redeye. And the Redeye was a passive DI or a reamp box in one unit, so you can switch between a reamp function and a DI. What I've decided to do is to up the ante on the whole thing and make it so you can actually reamp and DI at the same time. And also you have the capability now of you have a passive input, which is like the original passive Redeye input, which is a passive DI. But occasionally I'd get a complaint saying that the DI was loading the pickups. Well, any passive DI does load your pickups to a certain degree, because you got to keep your impedance below 100K. Usually it's about 50K on a transformer DI. But so what we did is put a 10 meg ohm, very super high quality hi-fi buffer that's powered by Phantom, so you don't have to use an external supply, and put that on the front end. So if you plug in the front, you're going through the Phantom powered 10 meg ohm impedance front end. You plug in on the rear, you're plugging into the passive input 50K ohm transformer. Now, the beauty of the box too is that actually through to the amp goes through the whole DI. So you're actually going, the way the reamp function works is basically like an insert on a console. So when you push the reamp button in, it's actually inserting the recorder into the chain. And with the beauty of this is it allows you to quickly set your levels between when listening to it. So you listen through the DI and to your guitar amp, and then you put it into the DAW mode, set your levels on your DAW, so when you go between the two, they will sound the same. So it's very quick and easy to set that up. Then you record actually whatever guitar part you're doing, and then you put it in reamp mode, play it back, and it will sound absolutely identical to what you put down. Because a lot of people were complaining before that they weren't getting their levels right for the most part when they're reamping, and they're saying the reamp sounds didn't sound the same. Now there's one exception to this, is when some people use some of these super high output pickups, like the Zach Wild pickup that puts out like plus 24 or something ridiculous like that. And this allows you even if you're not getting, if you have plenty of level on tape and you're still not getting enough level out to your amp, which is a very rare occurrence, but if you do use these super high output pickups, you also have what's called a reamp overdrive on there that'll give you an extra 10 dB to keep those metalheads happy. And the beauty of it is, too, is that the original Redeye was $263, and this one is going to be listed at $289. So for another $26, you're getting quite a lot of more features.